Well, the things you can't expect ChatGPT can do for you completely for free. So kindly feast your eyes, buckle up, grab your coffee, because in this video you would be shocked. I promise you. Let's get started. And the first thing here you can do on ChatGPT, unbelievably, here you can create a plugin ready to use on your WordPress website. Yes, you heard that right. Here, for example, you can create your own plugin that you can install and activate and use right now on your website. For example, could you create for me a plugin to add in my own WordPress website to help me optimize my articles with SEO titles and paragraphs using OpenAI API? And for sure, it gives me the whole package of my plugin that you can do manually on your PC and your laptop, or you can ask ChatGPT to prepare this whole plugin in a zip file and send you over right away, as you see, like this one, as you see, SEO AI Optimizer PHP, as you observe. Okay, as you see. And the second thing here you can do on a ChatGPT, amazingly, that is, you can create likewise your code for making your Chrome extension plugin. Like this one, for example, give me a code to make a Chrome extension that helps me convert any web page or article into carousel post points. For sure, you can create your own Chrome extension as you want to help you more in your work and your projects, either for translation, summarizing, and so on. Therefore, it gives me this folder structure to make your own Chrome extension folder or zip file in your PC and your laptop, and give you all codes you need. Just you can plug and play and copy and paste in your files and send you to Google as a developer, and it would be ready and active just in a matter of seconds, as you see. So for sure, you can actually use this point to create powerful Chrome extensions to use personally, or you can use them as a digital product and sell and monetize them, like for subscriptions, lifetime deal, and so on. So you can actually use these ways for making your plugin and your Chrome extensions as digital products that you can sell and make money online just by using ChatGPT. And the third thing here, just you can ask ChatGPT to analyze the best performing Etsy sellers or Fiverr, freelancers, Upwork, and so on to get the best secrets they are using, like patterns, themes, descriptions, titles, and SEO descriptions, and so on. And of course, here I just try something about Etsy sellers who sell romantic quote-based t-shirts for print-on-demand business, and it gives me these amazing titles and these secrets these solopreneurs using in their stores, as you see. So you can actually act on all these tips and tricks to make your own store go viral and pop up. And the next one here, you can actually ask ChatGPT to give you the real long tail keywords to help your website and your articles rank higher on Google search results, provided that these keywords are high search volume or high intent and low difficulty and real search terms. For example, here I just try something like long tail keywords to rank easier using them around the niche of weight loss for men over 50, and for sure it gives me a list of the best long tail keywords that I can use on my blog posts or my website, all in all, to make my website rank it higher in these amazing keywords in particular, and gives me also best intent type like actionable, commercial, specific persona, and so on. And for sure you can ask for getting metrics like search volume and so on, and it gives me this list as well, as you observe. So you can actually get benefit of ChatGPT to make your websites and your articles better, to rank higher on Google search results and get more traffic passively using ChatGPT. And the next one, that is asking ChatGPT to create a lead magnet in a PDF format that you can use to give away for your audience to opt in their emails and promote inside and indirectly your own valuable product. It could be course, premium ebook, and so on. Like this example, create for me a lead magnet in the form of an awesome PDF guide on how make your child more confident, for example, with a decent smooth call to action to get my premium ebook. Give it to me ready to send. Here is my ebook link, this one as you see. And for sure it gives me directly this ebook to download directly to my device and send to my audience. And the next thing here you can do on ChatGPT, unbelievably, that is you can actually do something that says reverse engineering, and that works professionally on any social media or Google itself, or dig deeper in the details and secrets of the best performing articles, blog posts, or YouTube videos to get their secrets to apply on your own projects. Like this one, for example, make a reverse engineering to get the all crucial secrets of the top ranked YouTube videos in the search, how to survive or how to save myself in bear attack, what themes, titles, tags, descriptions, earnings, views, comment status, and so on. And for sure it gives me the entire formula how they do well on YouTube algorithms to make them top ranked and get more views and more clicks, as you observe. And the next thing here, you can actually ask ChatGPT to create a stunning infographics about anything you want. And the first try is to focus on infographics because it's a powerful way to convey your message and your thoughts in a decent and digestible way. And for sure you can use infographic, and they are doing well in different platforms, especially on Pinterest and TikTok and Instagram, because you can use infographic to get more traffic to your link in bio, or you can indirectly to promote your valuable product. And for sure it's an awesome way to use ChatGPT for free. So for example, here I just create a stunning infographic about the effect of coffee on solopreneurs style of businessman, and it gives me this one as you see. Perfect, isn't it? And the next thing here, you can use ChatGPT. That is, you can give me a list of expired domains if you are interested in the flipping domains and sell them and so on. ChatGPT does that for you. So for example, I just asked ChatGPT to give me a list of expired domains that have fitness name in their domains and provide me listed prices if there are any. And for sure it gives me a list of the latest one here. They are expired domains that you can purchase and sell it later as you like. Perfectly. And for sure you can actually use all these expired domains if they have a good backlinks, get a good reputation on Google search ranking, domain authority, and so forth. So it's better for you to ask ChatGPT more and more about these domains to give you the all details about this specific domain as you want. And the next way here, you can actually use a ChatGPT to scrap LinkedIn posts or Twitter threads for the most powerful brands or the most trending professional there. Like this one, scrap for me the best tune ever through the top performing LinkedIn posts and give me like a template to my future posts. My niche is freelancing, coaching, and so on. And for sure, it would scrap LinkedIn post, searching for the best performing LinkedIn posts with high engagement, with stop scrolling images, and so on. And it gives you this done for you and ready to use formula as you see. Just you can plug and play and insert your details. That's it, and use like a professional posting your posts on LinkedIn. And the next thing here, just you can use ChatGPT as well to validate your emails before sending them in your email marketing campaigns. For sure, it's a crucial thing here if you are working on email marketing or starting out your email marketing to promote your products or newsletter and so on. Because if your email list have many of these invalid emails or temporary emails and so on, it could affect reputation, or even worse, it would be listed on the blacklist, and your future emails would be sent on the spam or promotion folder. So instead, you've got to use what's so-called email validator or email verifier. And for sure, if you want to patch a big list of your emails, you can find out there different of these services, but they are somehow expensive. But here you can use ChatGPT with a beautiful 90% accuracy for free. So here, for example, I just drop here a list of my emails from my customers, and it gives me a beautiful list or clean list as you see, and exclude some suspicious emails like this one with their reasons. It could be disposable, temporary emails, their status, indeliverable, and so on. And next here you can use a ChatGPT as well, just by creating your title templates or transition templates in your editing software. It could be Premiere Pro or DaVinci. Here you can create your own using a ChatGPT as well, as you see. And the next way here, you can use a ChatGPT to guide you the most recent and the most trending soundtrack used in the viral videos on TikTok right now. And for sure, you can use all these soundtracks and these music backgrounds in your videos to go viral as well. Like this one, for example, give me right now the trending music playback in TikTok to use in my videos or posts to go viral as well. And for sure, it gives me this result like this one, and so on. I just tried one of them like this one. There she goes. It's trending now here, like in this video as you see. There she goes 3 days ago as you want. And for sure, you can actually go specific more on ChatGPT if you want to target a specific area or a specific region like Middle East or USA or Europe and so on. So you got to know the best 12 things you can do on ChatGPT. You can't expect any more. You can do that on ChatGPT completely for free. So you got to use right now all these advantages here and make the best out of them personally, or you can use them commercially to make money online. Which one impressed you a lot? Which one impressed you more? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.